Once upon a time in the vast underwater kingdom, there were whispers of the legendary rainbow pearls. Each of these 7 shimmering pearls was said to hold a magical power, able to bring joy, peace, and harmony to the entire ocean. Their colors mirrored the rainbow, each glowing with a unique radiance that brightened even the deepest parts of the sea. But one fateful night, the pearls vanished. They had been stolen by Morana, a cunning sea witch who wanted their powers for herself. With the pearls in her grasp, Morana's dark magic began to spread, casting a gloomy shadow over the ocean floor. Coral lost its color, the fish stopped dancing, and the entire kingdom felt the weight of sadness. Ariel, the curious and compassionate Little Mermaid, couldn't stand by. With her loyal friends Flounder and Sebastian by her side, she decided to recover the pearls and restore happiness to the sea. She knew it wouldn't be easy. They would have to journey through enchanted caverns, face fierce sea creatures, and outwit Morana's sinister spells. As they traveled, Ariel learned something unexpected with each pearl they recovered. From the red pearl, she discovered courage. The orange pearl taught her patience, while the yellow pearl filled her with hope. Each color carried a lesson, and Ariel found herself growing stronger, not from the pearls themselves, but from what they represented. Her friends, always beside her, reminded her of the love and support that she carried with her. Finally, they reached Morana's lair, where the last pearl, the brilliant violet one, was hidden. In a climactic encounter, Ariel confronted the witch and explained that happiness couldn't be forced or stolen. It had to come from within and from the bonds they shared. Seeing the strength in Ariel's heart and her willingness to sacrifice for her friends, Morana's power faded, and she released the final pearl. With the rainbow pearls restored, the ocean came alive with joy. The colors returned, the coral blossomed, and fish danced once more. As Ariel looked around, she realized the pearls' magic wasn't in their glow but in the happiness and love they inspired. She returned to her father, King Triton, and the kingdom, not only with the pearls but with a heart full of gratitude and love. And from that day forward, Ariel knew that her true treasure was not found in pearls or riches but in the friends and family who filled her life with joy.